All right, so today I wanted to go over what is a percent and then some basic algebra to find it. All right. So what is percent? Percent is the per part is divided by, means to divide by, and cent equals centos, Italian for 100 or 100. All right. X equals some number is a variable. We don't know what it is. That's what we're going to find. All right. So X percent equals some number divided by 100. When it comes to percents, when you're writing it in a fraction form, it's the number over 100. The part over the whole. Part over whole is important. Here's the numbers written in different forms to kind of tie it into the rest of the math. So here's the percent form. Here's in decimal form. And here is in fraction form. All right. So examples would be 18%, 0.18 in decimal form, and 18 over 100 in fraction form. All right. So now we're going to look how to find percents. The basic formula is part over whole equals X divided by 100, or part over whole. Part over whole equals part over whole. So what we're going to do is find what would a pair of shoes that was on sale for $20 off a pair of shoes that were $500. All right. What percent discount is that? All right. The part is $20. The whole is the $500. If I spell something wrong, spelling's not my thing. All right. All right. So here's the basic formula. 20 over 500 equals X over 100. X is unknown. All right. So our first step is to simplify. We can simplify the 20 over 500. We can just divide that out. I did it like grade school way here to kind of show you how it is. If you did it grade school way, use your calculator. You don't have to do it this way. All right, so we can simplify that, and we get 0.04 equals X over 100. That's what we simplified. So the 20 over 500 simplifies to 0.04 equals X over 100. All right. It's so hot. It's like 100 degrees in here. I'm sweating everywhere. All right, so I just wrote it out again. All right. All right. The next part is to isolate X. That's step 2. All right. In this case, we divide. What did I put? In this case, X is divided by 100. I should have just said this and not say to put out the notes. All right. So 100 times. All right. So how do we isolate X? We got to do. Here, let me read the notes and then get to that. All right. So in this case, where X is being divided by 100. X is being divided by 100. All right. So in order to get rid of this 100 on this side, we have to multiply both sides by 100, which that's what's going on here. We took X over 100 times 100, and then we put 100 times 0.04. All right. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side to keep it balanced. Otherwise, it won't equal, and then that make the equation false. This equation is still equal because we're doing the same thing to each side. And this is just saying basically what I just said. All right. So to this point, here's the cancellations. We were dividing by 100, so we end up multiplying by 100. So those numbers canceled out. On the other side, we have 100 over 100 times 0.04. 100 times 0.04 equals 4. So 4 equals X, or X equals 4. All right. So 20. To go back to our original equation, replacing X with 4, we have 20 over 500 equals 4 over 100, which equals 4%. All right. Real quick, we're going to go over find the percent of a number.